Greetings, greetings, greetings once again to each and every one. Another week, another episode. See, this is going to be the 23rd episode. And I just want to say big up and thanks for each and every one who tuned in, alright? So enough respect and love. Alright, this one is special, because this one is going to be my first female I'm talking about. Alright, this is the 23rd episode. First female. Alright, so let's keep it locked. This female here is in the business for over 60 years. See? Keep it locked. I'm so forward. And that Ziggy say. I shall sing as long as I live, and as long as I live, I shall sing. Yes, I shall sing as long as I live, as long as I live, I shall sing. Yeah, the one and only, the queen of reggae, Marcia Griffiths. I'm not telling a lie, man. It's a joy if you even talk about Marcia right now. Marcia has been singing from before she even turned a teenager, from like 11 years old. When Marcia turned 13, Marcia basically a shot already. Alright? So Marcia is from uptown, a place in Jamaica, in Kingston called Town, which is a ghetto. Alright, live with her mother and her father. 4 sisters, 1 brother. She lost one of her sister along the way. Alright? That's how the thing go. Her father alone was working, her mother is a hustler lady too also. Because that's how the thing go. Yeah, it's just like I always have to put myself in a them situation because I lived that type of life from the ghetto. My father was the only one who was working. My mother was more a hustler lady, sell suck and toto and bull and all of them things for balance out the thing and make it work. So, see me Marcia Griffiths thing go. Alright? Who remember Town Bakery, who's from Jamaica? Yeah, them bakery them in the days, them bakery they're nice. See, so same Town, see? Alright, so Marcia Griffiths, very talented man. Met Bob Marley at a real young age. Bob Marley was young too, a little older than her. Bunny Wailer was from the same era. When they were going to school, Bunny Wailer used to pass and pick her up, walk with her, drop her off at her school, what she call little school, and then him walk over to the bigger school. In 1964, she performed with Byron and the Dragonaires in Jamaica. And that right there, it was a hit from right there, man. And even before the performance, the person who was trying to hook it up, as what Marcia said, Byron Lee said, yo, no, man, we can't bother, man. We're not putting no more people on the headline, man. We already booked already. And the guy said, no, you have to hear this little girl sing. And when Byron hear her, man, trust me, Byron himself, they want to sign her, right? But the guy who would take her to Byron have a bigger thing in line for her. Him take her instead of round a studio one. See, run a Coxon Dads. Bigger thing, bigger studio and bigger vibes. And it's right, she link up with Bob Marley, them and all of them and the whole thing. At 16, she get her first hit song. See? I feel like jumping. Yes, I feel like shouting. I feel like moving. And I feel like grooving, yo. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ooh ooh ooh. Ooh ooh ooh. Seeing at 16-year-old, seeing feel like jumping. And for whoever who know or who listen to music they good, the harmony, ooh ooh ooh. Bob Marley that right there, so Bob Marley was doing the harmony. Because at that time, Bob Marley was around Studio One also, and all of that thing, them, Bonnie and Peter, them, the Wailers, them. She made the whole Wailers thing. But already, she did already know Bonnie still from out of all of that. Because you know, as I said, she and Bonnie, Ray, from the same community. Alright? So right there now, Marcia started developing the thing, and I started growing the thing, and I get nice and thing. Bob and the Marcia team up. And another hit song came out of that. See? What them say? Young, gifted and black, and that's a fact. See? And that's a fact. When you know that song, the Young, Gifted and Black, and go check it out. And you know it more than even me. Right? But that song was a big song, big international hit song. Even in the UK, real international. And that song right there now, take her start to tour. The first time Marcia went on tour was with the Fab Five band in 1969. At that time, the Fab Five band used to call themselves the Reggaes. Alright, a history maguna right now. See? Yeah. So Marcia been start touring in her teenager, man, 16, 17, 18, she started the road and a touch road. And just to let you guys know, Marcia, mother, a full Indian lady, you know, she's a full Indian. Her last name is Maraj. And when you say that, you know, say that have a linkage with the Dans of all Dan, the Dan Dada himself. See? Super Cat. So Marcia and Super Cat are first cousin. So the musical energy, it's there from in the jump. Just to show that out the tone, go into some history about Marcia, alright? So yeah man, Super Cat, big up to Super Cat, without a doubt. Marcia's original birth name is Lynette Griffiths, you know. It's not Marcia Griffiths. But she said, boy, she never liked the name Lynette. She don't know where her mother get the name from. She never liked the name there. So she take on to the name some Marcia. Because in Jamaica, as we know, and for the people who is not Jamaican or from overseas, somewhere in the world you're watching this right now, we always have a different name. We call it a yard name, where everybody call it. It's like me. Everybody call me Anjo. That's not on my birth certificate. So Marcia take on that name now. It's a Marcia, you know what I mean, in the community. And it does connect. Marcia Griffiths. It does feel like it was supposed to be together. And that's how she does take on the name to herself. So Marcia Griffiths. So it's Lynette Griffiths is her real name. Alright, she have 3 and some sons. Marcia get. Alright, so a Marcia life that right there. So Marcia is a very quiet artist, you know. If you notice, she don't talk much about her private life. It's just music. She don't even love to talk. She rather sing. Alright, so it go for Marcia upcoming and the whole thing. Marcia on tour now. The same like a Get a Girl from Anatone. A tour right now as a young girl. Meet Bob Marley. She and Bob Marley actually have a collab together. Alright, she have a lot of collabs. Marcia have over 50 collabs as of right now. She collab with maybe all of the artists then. Marcia inspiration coming up and listening to music. Anita Baker and Aretha Franklin them and Stevie Wonders them. You know what I mean? It's them people that Marcia listen to. Because Marcia sings. And she have that nice type of singing voice. Alright, so big up to Marcia, man. Marcia going real good from them time there. Alright now, then later after that now, you find out that the I Trees get to form, which is Rita Marley and Judy Moat. And during those time, the Wheelers now with Bob Marley and the Wheelers, Bonnie and Peter them, they be kind of in a little shambles and all of that. Kind of, you know, fell off. So Bob Marley hear about the I Trees, so them form them own a group, so the I Trees, and they tour. They have albums under the I Trees. Them tour by themselves as the I Trees. A lot of tours worldwide. So Marcia been doing a lot of things. Bob Marley now at the time now, draw them in now and start to tour with them. Alright, so it's a next set of touring that again all over the world. Marcia has been all over the world. By herself, with I Trees, with Bob Marley them. She's seen a lot. Alright? She even mentioned one story that in Jamaica one time when she was much younger. She and Bob Andy, they start dating, you know, they start taking it serious and start to be boyfriend and girlfriend as teenagers upcoming up into them 20s, start touring on the road to also singing a lot of songs. Bob Andy was one who writes most of Marcia hits them from those days. Bob Andy was a little older than Marcia, not much but a little older. Him the more experienced in the thing. So that's how Marcia kind of make it through the business without getting abused by a lot of the man them. Because them come at her. You know what I mean? But true, she and Bob Andy are par, I'm girl. Bob ease them off. Them have to ease off because the Bob Andy thing, girl. I want them to ease off. So what I mean? So that saved Marcia right there. So big up to Bob Andy and the work that he has put in. See? Resting powers. A lot of times in the past, she feel like just giving it up, man. Giving up music. See? Because of the fight and the pressure that comes with it. You know what I mean? I'm understand what she'll talk about. As a female, everybody want to jump in your panty. And when you can't get that, them no want to work with you. See? But Marcia overcome that. Yeah, Marcia has also 2 songs that she sing in straight German language. She have to learn the language and she sing them. She sing them in English and she sing them also in German language. She have met Elton John, Rod Stewart. Believe me, man, she and Patella Bell are friends. Them keep in touch. You know what I mean? So Marcia Griffiths thing international. She put in the work as a female artist in the business. And you know, says a male dominancy a go on. And Marcia bigger than enough of them right now. Alright? And that's her main thing, you know, she want female to be as equal as male in the business. That's what she says she really would want to see out of this business here. For the works. So she's about the female. She, you know what I mean, the Africa them and the Etana them. She done collabs with all of them. She talked to all of them about the business. You know what I mean? So Marcia inspired all of those younger female artists, man. Marcia has been to Haile Selassie Palace. She has visited there. She lay down on the Haile Selassie bed and rolling in bed. She said from one end to the other. She sit in his throne. How much people can see them do them things there? Maybe no other female artist in the reggae business can say them do that. Marcia did it. So she's definitely the queen of the pack. Alright? There's no, I don't even know who right now I could say, well, to compete against Marcia. I don't see the next queen right now, no time soon. Because there's not a lot of females who are doing the culture vibes. You know, as I'm saying, Etana, and who else? You know what I mean? Queen Africa. It's not a lot. So Marcia is the living queen, same here. And she do her thing, right? And stay current. She always stay current by doing collabs with even the younger artists and with busy them, roaming. See what I mean? I saw her thing set, man. A lot of artists, she do over 50 collabs, as I said earlier. So Marcia Griffiths is truly the queen of reggae. See? She put in a lot of work, a lot of hours in the business. Music was her life, it's her job that she get up and go to the studio all day. Until evening. Only eat all one patty for the day. Alright, so she put in her time and she put in the work and she hold it. Marcia's biggest song now, maybe the biggest up to today, is the Electric Slide. See? Yeah. What she say? You cannot feel it, it's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. But you can feel it, it's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Woo, it's shocking. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. She's above it like electric. She sure got the boogie. We didn't even know what she said right there, so I know. The part there, what she said right there, I couldn't even tell. I tell you about that song there. Playing so many parties all over the world. Electric Boogie is a hit song. Bunny Wailer write that song for her. See, Bunny Wailer actually also did a version of it also too, which is big also. I remember she and Bunny are bridging, you know, from a long time, you know. She and Barris Hammond too also, bridging. Alright? Yeah, man. So Bunny Wailer did that, write that song, and that song is our biggest song. She said she performed that song in Bermuda in front of over 100,000 people, and everybody had the Electric Slide. You can imagine the crowd are rock. Alright? So that's our biggest song, man, Electric Slide. And so much version of that where people adapt that out of that song. But at first she never was making any money. She wasn't making any money off it, she said, you know. But then when she do it back over again, you know, one thing, then she started to make some money off it. So the thing go, most of the artists them get them share of robbing in the business. Marcia get her like a share of it also. Alright? So I saw the thing go, I saw the business go back then. All of the artists them get robbed up. But nevertheless, Marcia turned out to be a great artist, great female. Trust me, we just love and respect Marcia Griffiths right now. Marcia saying, you know, truly, I love you truly, truly, I love you truly. See? Then Marcia goes up, boom, big sing again. Stepping out of Babylon into Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. And me say stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon. I've got no alternative in a Babylon. See? Big tune again. I want to know, man. I'm Marcia Griffiths, man. Peace, cause I'm a peaceful woman. I don't believe in doing wrong. Yes, I'm a peaceful woman. And I don't believe in doing wrong. Marcia Griffiths again. Hits after hits, man. Marcia have the hits after hits after hits, man. Marcia Griffiths, man, well loved from Jamaica to the world. See? And that's how we say, man, she's the real queen of reggae. Alright? Yeah, man, real queen. Marcia is truly our queen, alright? Queen of reggae, Marcia Griffiths to the world. See? So, massive. We just want to talk a little bit about the queen of reggae, Marcia Griffiths. And just say big up to Marcia Griffiths. Show her some love. See, Marcia is still around, still touring right now. Been to Africa so many times. Sure, she did it, man. And she's still doing it, alright? So, here we know. Just go tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend. See? And that Ziggy say. Until next week, we better keep it locking up, because next week now I go normal, next week show I go mad. See? Alright. Marcia Griffiths to the world, one love. And that Ziggy say. Salute. Out.